Alright, so today is my unboxing of my clear jelly stamper purchase. And this is how it came in the box. Of course, I blacked out my personal information. So I went ahead and cut the seal. And this is how it is on the inside. Has its logo on the box, clear jelly stamper. In the white tissue. Alright, and I guess this is like a, if I can get it to zoom in, it's like a maple leaf shaped candy, I'm guessing. Alright, and then they also have their business card. And it says clear jelly stamper. And then on the opposite side, it has its social media information and website. And these are the stamps. So I'm so excited because these are my first time ordering from this company. And I was excited because of the ability to do the layering stamping. Alright, so my first one, that's what it looks like on one side, and this is the other side. And this one is called Rose's Floral Garden. And I'll put the actual plate number and name in the description box. But this is what it looks like. And of course they all have the blue protective covering on the front. So you want to take that off before you start using it. Alright, and then here's the next one. And this one is called Peacocks Garden. And that's what it looks like. Has some beautiful butterflies on there. And the peacock. The next one is called Let It Snow. And that's what it looks like. It has the snowflakes, some Christmas themed words or winter themed words. The next one has a card on the back part that shows you the images. And then this is what it looks like on the actual plate. And this one is called In the Frosty Air, which is more snowflake. And then this one is called USA. So this one will be good for like Memorial, 4th of July. Even if you wanted to do your nails for like Election Day, they have that. And it has like football on there also, so you can also use it for Super Bowl. Has the Statue of Liberty on there, the lines for the flag, the stars. And then the last one that I ordered also has the pictures on the back. And then this one is called If It Ain't Baroque. And the Baroque is spelled B-A-R-O-Q-U-E. So this one will be cute also. Has some butterflies on there. So, alright, so I'm excited to start using these, and I'll be back with another video on me doing my nails. Thanks for watching.